everyone. So basically today I am with another problem of the day question of DSA. So here the question asks to find if two linked lists are identical. By identical it means they should have the same data in the node. So it's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a linked list and 99. These two are obviously not same, but these two are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are identical, and we have to return in O of n, and we cannot use any space. So let's decide how we'll do. Yeah, so one, two, three, four, and another identical, suppose two, three, four. So one very obvious technique is to use while loop. We will use two pointer, one pointer pointing to here. Suppose this one is temp1, t1, and this is t2. Then we will run our t1, t2. We will iterate over the linked list, and at every point we will check if t1 dot data is equal to t2 dot data. If we checked all and we reached a null simultaneously, then it means uh, they are identical. But I wanted to use recursion here because recursion is very useful in such problems. So and it's very simple as well. So what I would do is, if at any point, suppose my pointer is at t2, suppose here this is t1 and this is t2. Suppose now I will check if t1 dot data. No, first I will check if t1 should not be equal to null and t2 also should not be equal to null. If this is the case, I have another base condition. So now after checking everything, if t1 dot data is equal to t2 dot data, it means till here we are safe. It's identical. Then we will move to the next part. So now I will say, I will call my function and say, please check for t1 dot next and t2 dot next. That's all. And now for base condition, what when we will reach the base condition? We will reach the base condition when T1 and T2 both reaches null. So if T1 equal to null and also T2 equal to null, this means we have reached null simultaneously, and every node of linked list 1 is equal to every node of linked list 2. So that is our base condition. But one condition is also like this. Suppose this is one linked list and this is another linked list. So here what will happen, like T1 will reach null, but at the same time T2 won't reach null. So at that time also, if any one of them is null, then we have to return false, because it means one linked list is shorter than the other. That simply means this. So now let's come to the code. As I talked about the base condition, if we reach both null simultaneously, then we'll return true, and if any one of them is null, we'll return false. Yeah, I have used or here because if any one of them is null, and both of them cannot be null here, because if it does, then return true will already be returned here, and this won't be run. And our normal code is, yeah, if at any point the node is not equal, then we will return false directly. Otherwise we will go to the next pointer, that is head 1 next and head 2 next. I hope it's clear, and it's very pretty like simple code. Because of recursion we just need to write 3 lines of code. Yeah, I have already ran it once, so obviously it will run. Okay, so I hope it's clear.